We've compiled 25 business machines that you can import from China or the United States to build a profitable business with low investments. These machines are designed for various markets: food, technology, and more. The links to these machines are also in a document there. Stay until the end because one of these machines could be the key to building your business. Let's get started. Can you imagine offering delicious coffee to your customers 24 hours a day without needing employees? Vending coffee machine. Quality coffee, no barriers. The vending coffee machine is the perfect solution. For an investment of $1,600, this automatic machine allows you to serve coffee, chocolate, and other hot drinks in seconds with just the press of a button. It's ideal for offices, universities, or shopping centers. Being autonomous, it eliminates the need for staff, and its modern design attracts consumers. Take advantage of the growing demand for on-the-go drinks and offer a comfortable, quick experience. If coffee isn't your thing, and you're in the pharmaceutical world, this machine will amaze you. Test kit assembly machine. Precision and efficiency. Looking to optimize the production of test kits? The test kit assembly machine makes it possible with high precision. For $6,900, it automates the assembly of medical, pharmaceutical, or educational kits, improving efficiency and reducing errors. Perfect for businesses that need to produce in large volumes with quality standards. Maximize your production and offer test kits with confidence. If you like high-level production that's eco-friendly, this machine will fascinate you. Paper cup making machine. Efficient and sustainable production. Would you like to produce paper cups quickly and efficiently? With the paper cup making machine, for $8,500, you can create high-quality biodegradable cups in large volumes. Ideal for entrepreneurs looking to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly products. Tap into the takeaway beverage market with a high-speed, precise machine. But if you're into the world of textiles, cutting, sewing, and design, this machine is the most appropriate. Laser fabric. Cutting machine. Precision in every cut. Want perfect cuts in fabrics without effort? The laser fabric cutting machine for $8,000 offers precise cuts on multiple layers of fabric. Ideal for tailoring, fashion, and textile design. Increase your production, reduce waste, and improve the quality of each piece. When you have a business dedicated to manufacturing products, you must consider packaging. This powerful machine is exactly what you need. Shrink packaging machine. Fast and professional packaging. Looking for a fast and professional way to package products? The shrink packaging machine for $2,500 is the solution. Perfect for high-quality packaging in sectors like electronics or food. Automate the process, improve presentation, and protect your products. If you know someone in the jewelry business, recommend this powerful machine. Jewelry laser. Engraving machine. High-precision customization. Would you like to transform ordinary jewelry into exclusive pieces? With the jewelry laser engraving machine for $3,000, you can engrave complex personalized designs on gold, silver, or steel. Ideal for jewelers looking to offer unique, custom pieces. The precision of the laser allows for intricate engravings without losing detail, opening a new avenue for jewelry and ring customization. Not everything is luxury in jewelry. For food preservation as an entrepreneurial idea, you'll definitely need food dehydrator machine. Efficient and natural preservation. Can you imagine offering healthy dehydrated food without losing nutrients? The food dehydrator machine is the perfect solution. For $2,500, you can dehydrate fruits, vegetables, and herbs quickly and efficiently. Ideal for healthy food businesses, specialty stores, or entrepreneurs looking to offer products without preservatives. Now back to the textile and decoration industry. Automatic satin ribbon. Bow making machine. Fast and creative production. Would you like to produce satin ribbon bows at high speed? With the automatic satin ribbon bow making machine, for $2,000, you can make perfect bows for gifts, decorations, or clothing in large volumes. With its high speed, it reduces labor costs and increases productivity, ideal for gift or event businesses. From fabric to metal, here's an essential machine for the construction industry. Metal mesh fence. Making machine, strength and precision in every weave. Do you need to produce metal mesh for fences efficiently? The metal mesh fence making machine for $4,000 allows you to weave high-resistance mesh, ideal for security fences, parks, and construction sites. This automated equipment optimizes production, ensuring professional-grade mesh on a large scale. But if your business is more focused on medium-scale bottled water production, you might want to check this out. Semi-automatic water filling machine. Efficiency in every fill. Do you want to fill water bottles quickly and with precision? The semi-automatic water filling machine for $2,800 automates the filling process for mineral water, juices, and other beverages. Perfect for small bottling businesses or water producers. Its semi-automatic design allows for quick and clean filling without the need for extra operators. Now, let's move to another business segment that is essential for design. With this, embroidery machine. Customization and detail in every stitch. Are you ready to take personalization to the next level? With this embroidery machine for $3,000, you can embroider complex designs on clothing, accessories, or textiles. Ideal for entrepreneurs looking to offer unique products. This automated machine is perfect for creating everything from detailed embroidery to large volumes of production, making it a cost-effective, high-quality option for fashion and decor businesses. Ready to personalize everything with style? Explore the key tools and machines to take your entrepreneurship to the next level. Subscribe to @Successful Entrepreneur to get the best recommendations and tips that will help you create the business of your dreams. Your success starts here. If you're already in the beverage production business, you'll definitely want to see this. Labeling machine for bottles. Precision and speed. Do you want to label bottles quickly and precisely? The labeling machine for bottles is your ideal solution. For $1,500, you can automatically apply labels, ensuring a professional finish. Perfect for beverage businesses, cosmetics, or cleaning products, this machine improves production efficiency and reduces costs. Now something for personal care and production with a disposable tissue manufacturing machine. High capacity and efficiency. If you're looking to produce disposable tissues or napkins on a large scale, the disposable tissue manufacturing machine is your best ally. For an investment of $3,000, you can automate the production of hygiene products with an efficient process. Ideal for paper companies or hygiene product distributors, this machine will allow you to meet the growing demand without compromising on quality. Bandages are used all over the world. If you want to do something different, you can explore this. Bandage manufacturing machine, efficient production for the medical sector. If you want to enter the medical supply industry, the bandage manufacturing machine is the ideal solution. For $3,000, you can produce high-quality bandages for the healthcare sector. Capable of manufacturing bandages in different sizes and types, this machine adapts to the needs of hospitals, clinics, and wholesalers. For those in the world of billiards, this machine is a must-have. Billiard cue repair machine. Precision and efficiency. Do you want to offer high-quality billiard cue repairs? The billiard cue repair machine is what you need. For an investment of $1,800, you can repair and restore cues with precision. Ideal for billiard workshops or specialty stores, this machine allows for quick and quality repairs, ensuring customer satisfaction. Something essential since its invention and development is vital, and you'll want to see this. Toilet paper manufacturing machine. High capacity and automation. With the toilet paper manufacturing machine, for $4,000, you can produce high-quality toilet paper fully automated. Perfect for hygiene product factories, this machine maximizes production and ensures consistent quality in every roll. Now, something related to design. If you're in the print-on-demand segment, here's a machine you can share with your entrepreneurial friends. DTF printing machine. High-quality digital printing. Do you want to create custom designs on garments with professional quality? The DTF printing machine is the perfect solution. For $2,000, this machine lets you print on t-shirts and other textiles with incredible resolution. Ideal for entrepreneurs looking to offer customized apparel or small fashion businesses. If you're in the toy business, you might want to consider this. Rubber toy manufacturing machine. If you're looking to produce rubber products like toys or accessories, this machine might be exactly what you need. For $1,500, this machine is perfect for manufacturing rubber toys, sports products, or decorative items. If you're in the mobile accessories business, one of the most commonly bought accessories is the charging cable, and for that, you'll need mobile charging cable making machine. If you're looking to enter the mobile accessories business, the mobile charging cable making machine is exactly what you need. With this machine, for $1,000, you can manufacture high-quality USB charging cables, perfect for mobile devices. Automate production, ensuring speed and precision, making it an ideal investment for entrepreneurs looking to expand their electronic accessory offerings. Perfect machine. If you're in condominium management, you'll love this one. Electric street sweeper truck. Efficiency and sustainability in urban cleaning. This electric street sweeper truck is the perfect option for cities looking for an efficient and eco-friendly solution for street cleaning. Priced around $20,000, this electric sweeping vehicle has a low environmental impact and is ideal for urban waste collection. With its electric driving system and sweeping capacity, it helps keep the streets clean without the costs of traditional fuel. Now, let's talk about another machine for the production of building materials. Roof tile manufacturing machine. Quality and durability in every piece. This roof tile making machine is the perfect option for those who want to manufacture high-quality roof tiles for construction. With an approximate cost of $5,000, the machine will allow you to produce durable tiles with a professional finish. Ideal for construction companies and material distributors, this machine maximizes tile production and optimizes costs. Well, how about another incredible opportunity for product packaging with this? Vertical packaging machine. Efficiency and versatility in packaging. The vertical packaging machine is ideal for businesses looking to automate the packaging process for products of various sizes. For $3,500, you can package products efficiently and precisely, increasing production speed and reducing errors. From food to pharmaceuticals, this machine adapts to a wide variety of industries. Lastly, an industrial machine for tube bending machine, precision and flexibility in manufacturing. The tube bending machine is the perfect tool for industries working with metal tubes. For $5,000, you can bend steel tubes and other metals with precision and ease, ideal for sectors like construction, automotive, and installations. This automated equipment ensures fast, flawless work, allowing for multiple shapes and sizes. Ready to improve metal structure manufacturing with this cutting-edge technology? Thank you for joining us on this journey to success. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like and share with other entrepreneurs. Together, we can grow more businesses. Subscribe to Successful Entrepreneur to keep receiving exclusive content and the best recommendations. See you in the next video.